How's it, my Orchids and Fynbos friends? Dave here, coming to you from the idyllic town of Knysna. We kick off this 3-part series of our trip through the garden route at the Robberg Nature Reserve in the heart of Knysna. The place is mystical, with enchanting woodland trails, and boasts an array of dainty flowers, fascinating fungi, and interesting mosses. And of course, lots of Fynbos, and even some orchid species. A few holothrix or thread orchids, but these weren't in flower. At the top of the reserve there is an epic lookout where you can see the Knysna heads across the lagoon. And my favorite Fynbos, the Ericas. We even got to see the local Turako, the Knysna luri.